How to add subscriber to a segment MailerLite. Okay, so first go to MailerLite and then go to subscribers here. Click on subscribers. Okay, now click on segments. Okay, from here, open one of your segments. So I'll just open this one. Okay, now from here, you can add a subscriber to a segment based on your conditions in your segment. So for example, I'll add a condition that so whenever a subscriber signs up after date is February 1, 2025. So whenever a subscriber signs up after this date, then they'll go to the segment. Okay, so that's it. All the first subscribers can be added here in your segment based on the conditions of the segment. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.